Hi, I'm Dwayne Jones. I'm the Director of Operations for the Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD. I'd like to go over a few changes and modifications in the Transportation Department that we've made for this coming year in response to COVID-19. First of all, we've added a disinfecting process using an electrostatic sprayer where every bus will be sprayed and disinfected each time that it returns to the transportation lot. In addition to that, during the route, in between each tier or elementary, middle, and high, the buses will have been equipped with a different type of spray that they can use to disinfect while they're out and about. But at each time that they return, the electrostatic sprayer will be used to disinfect the bus. Next, hand sanitizers dispensers have also been installed on every bus at the entry point, at the door, and students will be encouraged to sanitize their hands upon entry of the bus. Students will also be required to wear masks on the bus, and all drivers and monitors will be wearing masks and gloves at all times that they are on the bus or around students or staff. Finally, Gold Star will strive to maintain a 2 per seat capacity on all buses where possible. And on those routes that space is available, then students will be encouraged to spread out as much as they can.